Master the future perfect tense, crafting short answers. Hello, English learners. Welcome to our newest lesson on crafting short answers, this time in the future perfect tense. You might think, that sounds complicated. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. By the end of this video, you'll be able to give short answers in the future perfect tense with confidence. So, are you ready? Let's dive in. The future perfect tense is used to describe an action that will have been completed by a certain point in the future. It's formed using will have plus the past participle of the verb. For example, by tomorrow, I will have finished my project. Now that you understand the future perfect tense, let's see how we can use it to form short answers. Short answers are responses to yes, no questions. In the future perfect tense, they are typically structured like this. Yes, subject plus will have. No, subject plus won't have. Here are some examples. Question: will you have finished your work by 5 p.m.? Answer: yes, I will have. Question: will they have arrived by then? Answer: no, they won't have. Remember, the key to mastering short answers in future perfect tense is practice. Now let's practice with some more examples. Pause the video after each question, think about your answer, and then resume to check your response. Question: will she have left the party by 9 p.m.? Your answer: underscore 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 underscore. Expected answer: yes, she will have. Or, no, she won't have. Question: will we have moved to the new house by July? Your answer: underscore 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 underscore. Expected answer: yes, we will have. Or, no, we won't have. Feel free to repeat this exercise until you are comfortable with the structure of short answers in the future perfect tense. There you go. Now you know how to form short answers in the future perfect tense. It's a little tricky, but remember, practice is key. So, keep practicing and you will have mastered it in no time. Thanks for joining us today. We hope this video was helpful. Keep practicing, stay positive, and as always, happy English learning.